If you're looking to learn how to use time tracking reports in teamwork.com effectively, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to track time, analyze reports, and make the most out of Teamwork's built-in features to boost your team's productivity. To get started, once you're logged into Teamwork, head to the Time section in the main menu. This is where all your time entries are stored, whether entered manually or logged through the timer. If you're new to time tracking, this is a great place to start. You'll see options to log time for specific tasks or projects directly within your project boards. Now, let's focus on the time tracking reports. This feature is incredibly powerful because it provides a detailed breakdown of how much time your team has spent on specific tasks and projects. It's essential for managing resources and ensuring everything is staying on track, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. You can find the reports under the Reports section, which gives you an overview of all your logged time entries. Here's a quick tip. When using time tracking reports in Teamwork, you can filter your data by user, project, or task, giving you a granular view of where time is being spent. This means you can easily identify bottlenecks or areas where your team might be overspending time. You can even adjust the date range, whether you need weekly, monthly, or custom reports. With this flexibility, it becomes a breeze to keep your projects running efficiently. The detailed report not only shows logged hours, but also lets you see the status of each task or project. You can export this data into a CSV or Excel file, making it super easy to share with stakeholders or integrate into other systems. Teamwork also allows you to compare estimated time versus actual time spent, which can help improve project planning and forecasting moving forward. Another great feature is the ability to break down time by billable and non-billable hours. This is particularly useful if you're working with clients and need to differentiate between time spent on billable tasks versus internal work. By setting the billable rate within Teamwork, you can also track the revenue generated from billable hours, helping you keep an eye on your profitability. A key aspect of using time tracking reports effectively is understanding what to do with the data once you have it. The reports will give you insights into your team's efficiency and can help you optimize workflow by identifying areas that need improvement. You can make data-driven decisions about task allocation, resource management, and project timelines. Now here's where it gets even better. You can also set time tracking reminders in Teamwork. If you're worried about forgetting to log time, Teamwork can send you reminders throughout the day. This ensures that every minute is accounted for without leaving anything to chance. If you're new to time tracking software or managing projects in general, Teamwork's intuitive layout and powerful reporting features make it a must-try. You can sign up for Teamwork completely free, and to make it even better, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Click the first link in the description to start your free trial with bonus features that will help you get the most out of your experience. To recap, time tracking reports in teamwork.com are a game changer for managing your team's productivity. The ability to track time, analyze it, and optimize your workflows will make you more efficient than ever. Don't forget, you can grab your extended free trial through the link below.